Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black and it looks great. You do have the Jeep logo right up front with your halogen headlights there, and you do also have your fog lights just hanging out down there. And coming around the side we have 17-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. Still quite a bit of tread left on them, and those rims look very nice as well. You got the Patriot logo there, and you also have heated mirrors right over here. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got your 4x4 and the high altitude logos there. And then to open it up, as long as it's unlocked, you just pull that. Lots of room back here, tons of storage. You can fold those seats forward if you did want. Got additional storage right there. You can lift this guy up, and your spare tire is underneath if you did ever need it. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to lock all the doors, and you got 2 presses to unlock. You do have 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. It'll get it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, plus a bit of chrome accenting on the handle. Another handle here, and a bit of additional storage just down there beside your speaker. Lots of room in here, very spacious. It is leather as well, very comfortable. You do also have this guy, which is your seat control, so backward and forward. And right here you do have the controls over your lights, so your high beams, low beams, all those guys, as well as your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You can also see how many kilometers we've been, which is only 29,000, not too many. You also have your trip A and your trip B. You got your temperature outside, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here. You got your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. Then right over here, turn that a little bit, we do have the controls over our windshield wipers right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, we do have this guy, which is actually a volume up and down control for the radio, which is right here. So you do have your AM, FM, and satellite radio all in there, as well as you have your voice recognition, your call-out button, you got your radio, your media if you have one hooked up. You also have a hard disk drive in here, so you can load music straight onto it. Volume up and down, you got this guy, is your load button, so you can put your CD in there, right back there. You also have your menu, your audio, your files. There's a USB plug in there and an aux cord right there. Then down here you do have your power up and down for the climate. You have your circulation there, the heat and AC. This guy here is to control where it blows out of. And then you got your heated seats down there with your traction control and your hazard lights there. A little bit of additional storage right here. And this guy is your gear shift, of course. Then down here we have some cup holders and our armrest. As well, we do have a bit of additional storage right down here underneath if you did want to use that. And you do have the control over the 4-wheel there. Then you can lift this guy up. You got some storage underneath your armrest and some additional right under there, and a plug in there as well. And then you got a dual layer glove box here. So you got your top layer and your bottom layer with your owner's manual inside of it. And then right up there we do have the control over our sunroof, which is right here. Look on the inside here, open this guy up. Now you do have that same chrome accenting on that. You do have the electric windows back here, handle here, and some storage down here. You do definitely have enough room back here to seat your people. It does seat 5 people all together, and looks great. Leather back here as well. You got some cup holders over there, and to lay down the seat you just pull this guy and it does fold forward just like that. Fold that guy like that, and you can do that with the other side, and then you got lots and lots of room. And there's our 2.4 liter i4 engine. Well, that's it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.